another one. Back with another one. In this new thing. Been a while since I did a ride along. 2026. Jeep Grand Cherokee. This thing got all the bells and whistles, fully loaded. And got the moon roof up there. I'm in motion right now. I'm about to show y'all a little bit of the inside. Show y'all a little bit of the inside. Nice day. Cold day, but it's nice though. Sun out. It's a little chilly though. We had a shift with the weather again. Just cruising, moving and grooving. You know how we doing what we gotta do. Yes, sir. Try and come to a stop. I can show y'all a little something. But yeah, just got a call about the truck, about the OBS truck. Actually had it looked at, and it wasn't the fuel pump. Actually was a starter. My starter went bad, so luckily it was on the warranty, and getting that replaced right now as we speak. So that's good. I'm gonna have that for the weekend. A real big weekend coming up this weekend. Putting the old schools out with the fellas. Needed that back on the road. So I mean, it was already running. Like I said, I changed that fuel pump relay, but it was taking a while to start up. So everything was checked thoroughly, and it actually was the starter. So we figured that out, and like I said, getting replaced as we speak. Just got the phone call, and like I said, it's on the warranty, so I ain't really going to pay too much or nothing. When y'all get the parts and stuff, y'all do stuff, man, make sure y'all be getting the warranties, because you just never know. A part may go bad, and you know, you can just replace it. So that's all what happened. Just went bad. Starter went bad on me. We had a rough winter, so that's probably what it was. This winter, December, January, February was rough, so that's probably what it was. Straight up. Keep it real with you. Keep it a buck. Cause I wasn't driving the truck a whole lot, but I was definitely driving at least twice a week, you know what I'm saying? So probably what it was, that rough winter we had. Putting people out the game. I got a homie right now, I got a box Chevy. He got it running, but his box Chevy, he was saying, need an alternator. Say it's gonna change the other day, it started raining. So it's like that weather be in the way. It'll put you down. But we getting back right, you know what I'm saying? I wasn't trying to be down for too long. Like I said, I'm trying to make some moves with it this weekend. Shoot, for real, the whole, you know what I'm saying, spring, summer, I got stuff to do. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my guy Jose at Beast, Triple R Automotive. They always take care of me. So we're gonna get that squared away so we can do this upgrade. Got a big upgrade coming, and yeah, that's gonna change the whole. Yeah, I say probably the whole look. You know what I'm saying? But y'all see it soon. Definitely. All right, now get off my bumper. Get off my bumper, man. Let's see if I can show y'all a little something. Screen, big screen in the joint. Rectangle. Got the camera. And we in full motion too, and that thing's still showing the reverse. That's dope. I ain't seen that in no vehicle. Got the snow mode, auto mode, sport mode. Brand new, 14 miles on it, 2026. I can't stop and show y'all the exterior. Y'all gonna have to Google that. You know what I'm saying? But the exterior, it don't look bad. Nice body style. You know, Jeep Cherokee's never really had a bad body style. But this one like a little bit more bulkier. Got like a little sport feel to it, sport look to it. Nice seats. Can't show y'all the third row because the seats are down. Let's see. Yeah, the seats are down. But they got a third row, second and third row. Yeah, all the bells and whistles and stuff. It's probably the best feature right here, those camera right there. That's dope. That's too dope. But yeah, I just wanted to holler at y'all real quick. This ain't gonna be no long video, nothing like that. Just want to check in, tap in with y'all and whatnot. Gotta stay positive, you know what I'm saying? Pray to the man up above. Keep the peace. Positive vibes. You already know the vibes. Positive vibes only. That's what we on. That's what we gonna stay on. Even if you ain't got to talk to people for a few days, you know what I'm saying? Just to keep your peace. Keep that peace. Your peace is everything. Remember that. Remember that. Oh yeah, this thing's got a little go to it. Got this thing in sport mode. Okay. Alright. But yeah, keep your peace. Anything you got going on, people try to, you know, put their problems on you. Stuff like that. Even if it's family, friends, you ain't gotta block them, but you know, you ain't gotta talk to them for a few days. Holler at them in the next week or a few days after or something, you know. But protect your peace though. That's important. If you can't protect your peace, how you gonna be good to others? You know what I'm saying? Your family, friends, kids, co-workers, how you gonna be good? So I just felt, you know what I'm saying, my mind to speak on that. Very important. And you know, nobody perfect. We all deal with our issues and got things going on. But like I said, you gotta protect your peace and you gotta protect your mental. Very important. And ain't nothing wrong with a break. You need to take a break, you know what I'm saying? Or basically a reset. Basically like a reset. Go ahead and take your reset. Take your day to yourself if you can. Half a day, 2 hours, something. You know, just to make sure you good. But shit ain't gonna take your head off. You know what I'm saying? Y'all stay positive. Keep grinding. Keep doing what you gotta do. That by any means way. And I'm gonna catch y'all later, alright? By any means fam. Alright.